How to fix YouTube dark theme not working. In today's video, we're going to fix the issue of YouTube dark theme not working on your device. If you're a fan of the sleek dark interface but it's not turning on properly, I've got you covered, so let's get started. The first thing we'll do is make sure that dark mode is enabled into YouTube app settings. Open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom and go to settings. Now tap on general. Now simply tap on appearance. Select dark theme to enable it. If it's already enabled, try switching it to light theme and then back to dark theme to reset it. If you have Android, you can simply clear cache and data of your YouTube app. If that also didn't work, try updating your YouTube app. Simply open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for YouTube. And if there's an update available, simply install it and restart the app. And check if the dark theme is now functioning correctly after the update. Your device's system-wide dark mode might be interfering with the YouTube app. Let's make sure the setting is correct. Just open settings, go to display and brightness. From there, simply choose dark in the appearance, and YouTube should now follow the setting if you have the app set to follow system in its settings. And that's it. You should now be able to enjoy YouTube's dark theme without any issues.